Introducing the EGTPPJP USB-C to Magnetic 3 cable, a revolutionary accessory designed specifically for modern MacBook users. This innovative cable is engineered to simplify your charging experience while ensuring reliability and efficiency. Its purpose is clear: to provide seamless, secure charging for a wide range of MacBook models, including the cutting-edge 2024 MacBook Pro with M3 Pro and M3 Max, the 2022 MacBook Air with M2, and many others. One of the standout features of this cable is its universal MacBook compatibility. It works effortlessly with an array of models, from the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro to various other models such as A2779, A2780, A2681, A2442, and A2485. This level of compatibility ensures that you can enjoy optimal charging performance without the need to hunt for different cables for your various devices. Before buying, it is wise to double-check your MacBook model, ensuring that the cable meets your specific needs. Another highlight is the effortless magnetic connection. The cable's magnetic design is a real game changer. It effortlessly snaps into place with a strong magnetic suction that prevents disconnections in busy real-life scenarios, a common problem with traditional, rigid cables. Whether you're deep in a work session or simply multitasking at home, you'll appreciate the ease of connecting and disconnecting the charger, negating the frustrations of a loose cable. Furthermore, the cable offers flexible length and unmatched durability. With a generous 6.6-foot length, you can charge your device from a distance while keeping your workspace neat. Its braided design not only lends a stylish, modern edge, but also adds incredible strength and resistance to wear and tear. The silicone sheath at the terminal further complements the durability, providing additional protection during everyday use. In real-life scenarios, users have reported that the cable performs exceptionally well with its strong magnetic suction and steady charging, proving particularly beneficial for professionals and tech enthusiasts who rely heavily on consistent power supply. While its advantages are clear, one minor drawback is that it may not be as versatile for non-MacBook devices, so its specialized design means it's best suited for those within the Apple ecosystem. When compared to similar products on the market, the EGTPPJP cable easily stands out due to its robust build, longer reach, and secure magnetic connection. To get the most out of this product, ensure you regularly check compatibility with your MacBook model and avoid subjecting the cable to unnecessary physical strain to prolong its lifespan. Overall, this cable is highly recommended for professionals, students, and anyone who values reliability and sleek design in their tech accessories. Enjoy a hassle-free, efficient charging experience with the EGTPPJP USB-C to Magnetic 3 cable.